Listen up, you lot. Thanksgiving is around the bloody corner, and you know what that means? It's time to stop serving that bland, soggy, pathetic excuse for stuffing and learn how to do it right. We're talking about stuffing so good, it'll make your Auntie Carol weep with joy. Today I'm going to show you lot how to make 3 Thanksgiving stuffings so mind-blowingly delicious, they'll make your guests forget about the bloody turkey. Thanksgiving is right around the corner, and it's time to wow your guests with some unforgettable stuffing recipes. Today we're sharing the step-by-step guide to making the top 3 trendiest stuffings for 2024. Let's get cooking and turn your Thanksgiving feast into a culinary masterpiece. First up, we're tackling a classic cranberry and walnut stuffing. But don't think for a minute we're going all safe and boring. We're taking it up a notch using sourdough bread for a delicious, tangy twist. This isn't your grandma's stuffing. Right, let's get started. Dice your sourdough bread into cubes. Spread them on a baking sheet and toast at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, chop 1 onion and 4 celery stalks. Melt butter in a skillet, add the veggies, and cook until soft. Add sage, thyme, salt, and pepper. Pour in chicken stock and simmer. Chop cranberries and walnuts. Mix everything together. Transfer to a baking dish, cover with foil, and bake. Remove foil, bake until golden brown. There you have it. Tangy, nutty, and bursting with flavor. Serve with your Thanksgiving turkey and enjoy. Next up, we're spicing things up with a sausage and apple cornbread stuffing. This is for those who like a bit of adventure, a bit of oomph in their lives. We're combining sweet and savory flavors to create a stuffing that's an absolute flavor bomb. Homemade cornbread is the only way to go. It's so easy to make and the flavor is miles ahead. So, put in the extra effort, you lazy sods. You won't regret it. Now let's move on to the sausage. Cook 1 pound of pork sausage until browned. Add onion, celery, and apple. Cook until softened. Pour in chicken stock and simmer. Stir in crumbled cornbread, sausage, and pecans. Transfer to a baking dish. Cover with foil and bake. Bake until the top is golden brown and crispy. There you have it, sausage and apple cornbread stuffing that's sweet, savory, and utterly irresistible. Now for all you vegans out there, don't think I've forgotten about you. This next stuffing is completely meat-free, but still packed with flavor. We're talking wild mushroom and herb stuffing that's so good, even the meat eaters will be fighting for seconds. First, heat a large skillet over medium heat and add olive oil. Add mixed wild mushrooms and cook until golden brown. Add onion, celery, and garlic, cooking until softened. Add dried sage, thyme, rosemary, salt, and pepper. Pour in vegetable stock and bring to a simmer. Stir in mushrooms, bread cubes, walnuts, cranberries, and parsley. Transfer to a greased baking dish. Cover with foil and bake. Remove foil and bake until golden brown. There you have it, wild mushroom and herb stuffing. That's so flavorful you won't miss the meat. Impress your vegan friends and family this Thanksgiving. Right, you lot. 3 incredible stuffing recipes for your Thanksgiving feast. Classic cranberry and walnut, sweet and savory sausage and apple, and hearty wild mushroom and herb. This Thanksgiving, we're doing it right. Use fresh, high-quality ingredients and take your time. Impress your guests and have a fantastic Thanksgiving. Like, share, and subscribe for more recipes. Happy Thanksgiving!